Hey, Drop Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. If you remember, just yesterday, Samsung suddenly put the brakes on the One UI 7 stable rollout across the globe. So far, there's been no official word on when different countries will actually get the update. And to make it more confusing, Samsung hasn't really provided any clear explanation for this unexpected pause. According to a report from Android Authority, a Samsung spokesperson said that the One UI 7 rollout schedule is currently being updated to ensure users get the best possible experience. They mentioned that the new timeline and availability details will be shared soon, but honestly, it was pretty vague. No direct reason was given, and we're still left in the dark about when the stable release will continue. New One UI 7 build uploaded. But here's what we do know so far. A fresh One UI 7 stable build has been uploaded to Samsung's servers. Tipster at WST123 tweeted about this, mentioning the new build number which ends in BYD9. However, there's still no confirmation on whether this build will be the final release or if another one is coming. The good news is, this new build indicates that several bugs have likely been resolved. So, fingers crossed, the One UI 7 stable update might begin rolling out again very soon. As always, I'll keep you all updated with everything that happens, so make sure you're subscribed. What's next for Drop Tech? We're not done with One UI 7 just yet. We'll be covering updates and features for the next couple of weeks. After that, we'll be shifting gears toward Android apps, tips and tricks, and of course, early One UI 8 content. So definitely hit that like button if you find this video useful. One UI 8 early leak. What's new? Alright. Moving on to some juicy early details about One UI 8. SmartBricks has leaked some very early info about the alpha build of One UI 8 running on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. In the screenshot shared, we can clearly see the version listed as One UI 8.0, based on Android 16, and it even has the Google Play System update for May 2025. You'll also notice the new Android 16 Easter egg. Now, in terms of design, Samsung hasn't changed the icons this time. Since they just got a redesign with One UI 7, they'll probably stick around for a while. Changes in stock apps. When it comes to Samsung's default apps, there are a few noticeable tweaks. For example, in the My Files app, the layout has been redesigned. The top section now shows tabs like Images, Videos, Audio files, Documents, Downloads, and Installation files inside wide rectangular blocks, different from the square design we had before. In the Gallery app, we now have shortcuts like Videos, Favorites, Recents, and Locations at the top, along with pill-shaped buttons for shared albums, clean out trash, and settings. What's interesting is that these design elements don't quite match the layout in the My Files app. Gallery uses capsules, while My Files uses wider rectangles. So clearly, Samsung still has some design consistency to work on. Now Brief coming to more devices. Now here's something exciting. SmartBricks also claims that Now Brief, Samsung's AI-powered info hub, won't be exclusive to the Galaxy S25 series anymore. We all know how useful Now Brief is. It pulls together your weather updates, reminders, daily photos, missed calls, and even offers AI-based personalized suggestions. So far, it's been limited to the S25 series, and wasn't even included in One UI 7 for the S24 line. But now, it looks like Samsung might be planning to release Now Brief to other Galaxy phones as part of One UI 8. That would be a huge win for everyone. These are just some of the early changes we're hearing about for One UI 8. Of course, there's still a long way to go until the full version rolls out. In the meantime, let's hope One UI 7's stable release continues soon. I'll be here to update you as more info drops. And hey, if you haven't checked it out yet, go ahead and download our wallpaper app, Wverse. It's got tons of free and premium wallpapers dropping daily. Link is down in the description. Don't forget to rate it on the Play Store. That's all for today's update, Drop Tech fam. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.